Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to take your eyeliner game to the next level. The NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in black. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, waterproof eyeliner that holds up throughout the day and night, keep watching as we put this iconic liner to the test. The Epic Ink Liner comes in a pack of 2, which is great for makeup enthusiasts who go through eyeliner fast or want a backup ready to go. It's a vegan formula, so no worries about animal-derived ingredients, which is perfect if you're making more conscious beauty choices. Now, let's get into the features. The waterproof formula ensures that your eyeliner stays put. No smudging, no fading. Just a crisp, defined look all day long. The ultra-precise tip is flexible, allowing you to customize your lines. Whether you're aiming for a delicate thin line or a bold cat eye, the control is in your hands. Every stroke is fluid, which means you get a consistent finish with minimal effort. As for application, this eyeliner glides on smoothly without tugging or pulling at the delicate skin around your eyes. I used it both for my daytime look and for a more dramatic evening cat eye, and I have to say, it worked beautifully for both. The formula is lightweight, and you can build up the intensity without it getting clumpy. It's honestly one of the easiest liquid eyeliners to use, and the precision tip really does make a difference. But no product is perfect, so let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the waterproof formula is a game changer. It held up through sweat, humidity, and even a few tears, so you can trust it to last through the day. The precision is also impressive, especially for those who want to master the perfect winged eyeliner without any hassle. Plus, it's cruelty-free, certified by PETA, which adds an extra layer of appeal. However, there are a few downsides to note. While the formula is fantastic for longevity, removing it at the end of the day can be a bit tricky. It requires a gentle makeup remover or oil-based cleanser, but if you're looking for something that comes off with just a wipe, this might not be your best bet. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's pretty solid, especially considering that you get 2 liners in one pack. At this price point, it's a high-quality eyeliner that lasts and performs well, making it worth the investment for daily use. Plus, if you're already a fan of NYX, it's a reliable staple in their range. Let's compare it with some alternatives. There are plenty of waterproof eyeliners on the market, but NYX Epic Ink stands out with its ease of use and smooth application. Brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal offer similar options, but they often don't have the same level of precision or fluidity, so this is a strong contender if those are key for you. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is straightforward and practical. The slim pen design makes it easy to carry, and it fits comfortably in your hand for precise control during application. Now, as for customer support, I haven't had a personal interaction with the brand yet, but NYX is well known for its responsive customer service. If you have any issues or questions, their team is usually quick to resolve them. I haven't seen any major updates to this eyeliner recently, but if there were any new versions or improvements, I'd certainly be curious to see how they compare to the original. If you're on a budget and looking for something similar, brands like ELF and Maybelline offer more affordable alternatives, though the precision and longevity might not be quite on the same level. To wrap it up, the NYX Epic Ink Liner is an impressive product that delivers on its promises: long-lasting, precise, and easy to use. If you're after a reliable waterproof eyeliner that can go from everyday neutral to bold and dramatic, this is definitely worth considering. The fact that it's cruelty-free is also a huge bonus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried the NYX Epic Ink Liner, drop a comment below to share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.